Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to change the screen timeout period on your Samsung Galaxy A55 5G phone. So this is basically the amount of time that elapses without touching your screen before your screen goes off and potentially even locks your screen. Para ma-change natin yan, and then kailangan lang natin pumunta dito sa ating mobile phone settings. So itap mo lang yan. And dito sa ating mobile phone settings, and then kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at hanapin natin dito yung display. So dito sa display ay click mo lang yan. And dito sa display ay scroll down ulit, and then hanapin natin dito yung screen timeout. Okay? So makikita mo kaagad dito, so i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa ating screen timeout, so nandito yung mga option na pwede nating i-select kung ilang seconds and minutes yung itatagal ng ating mobile phone screen display. So dito sa 30 seconds, ito yung pinaka-default niya mga kaibigan. And then pwede mo naman itong i-adjust into 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 10 minutes. It depends on you kung anong ilang minutes yung gusto mo. And dito naman sa baba makikita mo dito yung keep screen on while viewing. So ibig sabihin nito kapag naka-turn on itong button niya, and then keep the screen on while you're looking at it using the front camera to detect your face. So ibig sabihin kapag nakaselect ka lang dito ng 1 minute, and then na-reach na niya 1 minute ng screen displays, ay continuous pa rin siya. Hindi siya magla-lock screen or mag-turn off kasi naka-turn on or naka-enable itong keep screen on while viewing. Yan, so ganoon po siya. Alright, so select ka lang dito kung anong ilang minutes or ilang seconds yung gusto mo as your options. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-change yung screen timeout dito sa ating Samsung Galaxy A55. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.